हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल श्रेयांश रघुवंशी लर्न विद मी। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 6 स्थानीय सकल एनसीईआरटी का चैप्टर नंबर 8 गेम ऑफ चांस। ओके, चलिए बिफोर यू रीड, हैव यू एवर won anything in lucky dip or such other game of chance? Do you like such games? सो बेसिकली बिफोर यू रीड में ये पूछा जा रहा है आपसे कि यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट लॉटरी, यस? सो दैट काइंड ऑफ गेम इज ओनली रेफर्ड हियर, मींस लकी डिप। ओके, कि बाय चांस आपको कोई बहुत अच्छी चीज मिल जाए, आपने ऐसे ही गेम में हिस्सा ले लिया और आपका लक प्रिवेल कर जाए, आपको बहुत अच्छा चीज मिल जाए। ओके, सो उसको कहते हैं लकी डिप और अदर गेम ऑफ चांस। ओके, सो आपने प्ले किया ही होगा ऑलरेडी, यू हैव प्लेड मेनी लॉटरीज शायद से। Okay, so it's referred to as game of chance, means luck based game. Okay, so title meaning is this only, game of chance. Okay, so let's start. Every year on the occasion of Eid, there was a fair in our village. Eid was celebrated only one day, but the fair lasted many days. Tradesmen from far and wide came here with all kinds of goods. Okay, all kinds of goods to sell. You could buy anything from a small pen to big buffalo. So let's see the look. See, he is playing the game of chance. See, there are written numbers, so must be it's ring game. You have to throw on some object, and if it gets ring, it will he will get the object. Okay, so poet story author is saying that Eid fair used to held in every means the in my village, and the boy is referred here is Rashid. Write down the name of the boy, Rashid. Okay. So Eid fair used to held in Rashid's village every year. For each celebration, there was only one day, but fair used to be there for many days. It used to be a good opportunity for shopkeepers and merchants as they were able to sell their goods. So they used to come to the fair from distant places. This fair had a variety of everything from small to the big ones. Okay, सो यार द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ रेफर्स कि हमारे गांव में हर बार ईद के दिन मेला लगता है। ईद तो एक ही दिन की होती है, पर वो मेला जो रहता है वो बहुत सारे दिन के लिए चलता है। और जो ट्रेड्समैन, देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है ट्रेड्समैन का मतलब शॉपकीपर्स और पीपल हु सेल हैव गुड्स टू सेल। ओके, तो बहुत सारे लोग अपनी दुकानें लगाते हैं, फेरी लगाते हैं, सामान बेचते हैं। ठीक है, फेरी वाले भी वहां पे रहते हैं ताकि उनके भी कुछ सामान बिक जाए बिना मेहनत किए। ओके, बिना चले। ओके, सो इसीलिए ये बहुत मेला 2-3 दिन तक चलता था और बहुत अच्छा फायदा भी होता था मर्चेंट्स का, दुकानदारों का, क्योंकि काफी अच्छे सामान अच्छी मात्रा में बिक जाते थे। ओके, एंड दिस लाइन, okay, you can use this line to write down the answers if you are asked that what was this fair about, because it's very good line। and here it's about small pin to big buffalo, means कि वहाँ पे कोई buffalo नहीं या फिर पिन नहीं लेने जाता था, means every small to big things everything was available here। okay, far and wide means a large number of distance places। so now let's move to the second paragraph. Uncle took me to the fair. Bhaiya, who worked for us at home, came with us. There was big crowd at the fair. Uncle was leading us through the crowd when he met a few of his friends. They wanted him to spend some time with them. Okay, so giving directions. Rashid's uncle took him to the fair along with Bhaiya, who worked with them at home. Okay, it was crowded place, so uncle was directing them to move along in the fair. Okay, with him only. So because भाई भीड़ भाड़ की जगह में you can easily means get separated from your close ones. Okay, from easily your parents. You have all means you have observed whenever there is some kind of fair, बहुत बड़े बड़े मेले भी होते हैं, जैसे बनारस में होता है शिल्प का मेला। तो यहाँ पे कंटिन्यूअसली अलार्म किया जाता है कि मीन्स जो बड़े लोग हैं छोटे का हाथ पकड़ के रखें, उनको अपने साथ रहें, ज्यादा भी लापरवाही ना करें। ओके, सो this kind of means activity वहाँ उसको डायरेक्ट करने के लिए अंकल थे और जो भैया उनके घर पे काम करते थे वो और राशिद थे. ओके. So Rashid uncle took them to the fair along with the bhaiya who worked with them at home. It was crowded place, so uncle was directing them to move along the fair. On the way, his friends meet them, who wanted to be with him for some time. Okay, means जब भाई मेला इतना बड़ा तो बहुत लोग आए होंगे, तो अंकल के कुछ फ्रेंड्स आ गए और वो चाहते थे कि अंकल उनके साथ रहें कुछ देर. ओके, कुछ देर टाइम स्पेंड करें. ठीक है. तो बेसिकली इट वाज दिस. Third paragraph. Uncle asked me whether I would like to look around the fair with Bhaiya till he came back. I was happy to do that. Uncle warned me neither to buy anything nor to go far out while he was away. I promised that I would wait for him. Okay. Promise means to give one's word. Okay means आप अपनी जुबान देते हो कि मैं यहाँ से नहीं हिलूंगा. Okay. So Uncle asked Rashid if he would like to visit the fair with Bhaiya in his absence. It was Rashid's choice to visit the fair, so he felt happy for that. Okay. Uncle instructed him not to buy anything from the fair or not to go far. Rashid promised, give his words to follow the words and wait for him to come back. So फिर अंकल बोलते हैं कि क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे या फिर भैया के साथ पूरा मेला जो है वो घूमोगी. तो राशिद ने ही जिद की थी मेला में आने के, तो इस फैसले से खुश था. बोलता है ठीक है आप जाइए, मैं भैया के साथ मेला घूम लूंगा. अंकल उसे वार्न करके जाते हैं कि कहीं कुछ जिद मत करना खरीदने की और ज्यादा दूर नहीं जाना कि जब तक मैं ना आ जाऊं. ओके. तो फिर उसने प्रॉमिस भी किया अंकल से कि नहीं मैं कहीं नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं आपके लिए वेट करूंगा. वेरी इजी इजी पैराग्राफ. ओके. Paragraph 2. But I went from shop to shop. Bria and I went from shop to shop. There were many things I would have liked to do, but I waited for uncle to return. Then we came to what was called the lucky shop. The shopkeeper was neither young nor old. He was a middle-aged man. He seemed neither too smart nor too lazy. He wanted everybody to try their luck. There were desks on the table with numbers from 1 to 10 facing down. All you had to do was to pay 50 paise, pick up any six discs, add up the numbers on the disk and find the total. The article marked with that numbers was yours. Okay, see. Very nice game, na? 50 पैसे 98 रुपया 98. At that time it was means not less money. Warned means to alert. Okay, warned means to alert someone. Rashid, along with Bhaiya, went to each shop. There were many things of his choices which he wanted to buy, but he was means waiting for his uncle to come back. Then they reached a shop named Lucky Shop. The shopkeeper was middle-aged man, not too young nor too old. Okay, he was not lazy. Also, he was not very active. He was expecting the visitors to his shop to try their luck. Few discs were there. Number 1 to 10 were lying on the table. People would have to pick any six discs. Okay, pick any six discs. Could add up their numbers and were supposed to match the total count they had on article marked with the same number. If they were able to do so, the article could be theirs. So भैया और आई मीन्स राशि घूम रहे थे, दुकान से दुकान घूमे जा रहे थे और उसे बहुत सारी चीजें अच्छी लग रही थी, बट वो अंकल का इंतजार कर रहा था. फिर वो लोग पहुंचते हैं मीन्स लकी शॉप. वहां पे एक गेम रहता है, वहां पे डिस्क रहती हैं 1 से 10 नंबर. ओके, और प्लेट नीचे की ओर रहती है. ठीक है, आपको देख नहीं रहता नंबर, आपको रैंडमली कोई भी सिक्स डिस्क चूज करनी थी. उसके बाद उन सारे नंबर्स को ऐड करना था. और अगर जैसे आपने 1 2 और 3 4 5 6, ओके आई एम टेकिंग दिस ओनली नंबर. इफ यू selected the disk numbered 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, so इसको आपको ऐड करना था. जैसे ऐड करने पे 21 आया. ओके, सो इफ देयर इज अ टेडी बियर और टेडी बियर पे 21 चिपका हुआ है नंबर स्लिप, सो यू विल गेट द टेडी बियर. अगर नहीं, अगर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट पे 21 नहीं है तो आपको नहीं मिलेगा. और उसके लिए आपको 50 पैसे 98 रुपए पे करना था गेम के लिए. ओके. An old man paid 50 paise and selected sixes. He added up the numbers on them and found the total was 15. He was given the article mark. 15, which was a beautiful clock. But the old man did not want a clock. The shopkeeper obliged him by buying it back for 15 rupees. The old man went away very pleased. Okay. The old happy pleased means happily and delightfully. Happily. Then means where I was. An old man came there who paid 50 paise. To select six discs, he added the number printed on them and counted the total 50. The shopkeeper gave him article marked 15. It was a beautiful clock. But the old man had no interest in that clock. The shopkeeper did a favor to him and bought the clock back from him, paying rupees 15 to him. The old man felt happy and went away. Okay, so वहां पे एक बूढ़ा आदमी आता है, वो खेलता है, वो पे करता है 50 रुपीज, बट वो ऐड करता है नंबर और उसे उसकी मनपसंद चीज नहीं मिलती. ओके, द थिंग ही वांट. सो वो थोड़ा नाराज मतलब उदास हो जाता है. तो अब यहाँ पे जो शॉपकीपर था उसने अपना फायदा देखा, उसने उसको ही 15 रुपए दे दिया और वो घड़ी वापस कर दी. मीन्स ही वॉज वेरी ऑनेस्ट एंड लॉयल. ओके, ये नहीं था कि मना करे तो नहीं देंगे, दे भी रहा था बट वो खुश नहीं थे तो उनको पैसे दे के वो वापस वो वॉच ले लिया. ओके. Then a boy, a little older than I, tried his luck. Huh. He got a comb worth 25 paise, chavanni. Okay, the shopkeeper looked neither happy nor sad. He bought the comb from the boy for 25 paise. The boy tried his luck again. He now got a fountain pen worth 10 rupees. Then he tried a third time. He got wristwatch for 25 rupees. When he tried again, he got a table lamp worth more than 10 rupees. The boy was happy and went away with a smile and a good deal of cash. Okay. So after the boy, obliged means to do a favor. Okay, obliged means here we get it the word obliged. To do a favor. To do favor for someone. So then a young boy who was a little older than Rashid came there to try his luck. He was able to get a comb of 25 paise. The shopkeeper had a neutral response, neither happy nor sad. Okay, so he bought means yeah, shopkeeper bought back the comb from him and paid him 25 paise. The boy tried again and was able to get a fountain pen of rupees 3. The next trial brought him a table lamp of value more than 10 rupees. The boy felt very happy. Before that, he got a wristwatch, okay, of rupees 10. But he again sell it to the shopkeeper and tried for his luck again. And now he got a table lamp of more than 10 rupees. He was very happy to deal a good cash value and went away smile with a smile. So simple, it's very simple paragraphs, Hardina. You can easily understand them. And I have already completed my poem course on YouTube. You can easily get all the videos, and if you want to join my teachment class, I will provide the link in the description. You can enroll it for it. Okay, and there is my website also, www.shamsrajteachment.com. Okay, so you can get the enrollment request there also. So let's start. I wanted to try my luck too. I looked at Bhaiya. He encouraged me. I paid 50 paise and took 6 sticks. My luck was not too good. I got 2 pencils. The shopkeeper bought them from me for 25 paise. I tried again. This time I got a bottle of it, also a little value. The shopkeeper bought me that too for 25 paise. I took a chance for the third time. Still luck was not with me. Encouraged me to motivate. Encouraged to motivate. So seeing all that, Rashid was fascinated and wanted to try his luck now. He looked at Bhaiya and also encouraged him. He also paid 50 paise and took 6 sticks. He felt as if his luck was not that good as he was able to get only 2 pencils. He tried again and got bottle of it, okay, which was again of very low price. The shopkeeper bought that from him in 25 paise. So Rashid took another chance for the third time, but this time also luck did not prevail. सो राशिद को बहुत इंटरेस्ट आया ये गेम देख के, वो भी खेलना चाहता था, लक ट्राई करना चाहता था। तो वो अपने भैया की ओर देखता है, एक्सक्यूज मी, ओके। सो वो अपने भैया की ओर देखता है और उसके भैया भी उसको एनकरेज करते कि नहीं तुम खेलो। वो पे करता है 50 पैसे, 6 स्टिक्स चूज करता है, बट लक इतना अच्छा नहीं था, उसे 2 पेंसिल्स मिलती हैं। सो शॉपकीपर खरीद लेता है उससे 25 रुपए में, 25 पैसे में। फिर वो ट्राई करता है तो उसके बाद उसको बॉटल की इंक मिली, तो फिर शॉपकीपर उससे खरीद लेता है 25 पैसे में। फिर ही took the chance for the third time, but still he was luck was not with him. Let's see now. I had hopes of winning a big prize and continued to try my luck again and again, playing 50 pesos each time. But every time I got a triple. At last, I was felt with only 25 pesos. Again, the shopkeeper showed his kindness. He said I could add a triple an object of little value. Triple का meaning means जो कम दाम की चीज होती, सस्ती चीज. So he said I could either play once more with 25 paise or settle the account then and there. I played again. The last 25 paise also disappeared. So he was the Rashid, I think. He was the author, Rashid, who's narrating the story. So let's see the summary. Triple, okay, triple, you know, a thing that of little by the price. He continued his trials in the hope of winning a big prize. He paid 50 paise for each trial, and every time he was able to get a little amount. At last, he was only left with 25 paise. To this, the shopkeeper showed his kindness and offered him either to try once more or settle his account. Okay, he chose to play again and lost his 25 paise as well. Let's go. Okay, see the fair play. See the discs are there. You have to add. See the 6 discs he picked up. 1, 6, 3, 7, 2, 5. People were looking at me. Some were laughing at my bad luck, but none showed any sympathy. Bhaiya and I went to the place where uncle had left us and waited for him to return. Presently he came. He looked at me and said, Rashid, you look upset. What's the matter? So people were looking at Rashid at me. Some were laughing at my bad luck means. Okay, sympathy means feeling of pity. कोई अपना दुख नहीं जता रहा था उसको, ठीक है, सब हंस रहे थे. People standing there were noticing him. Some were even laughing at his poor luck. No one showed him pity. No one showed the feeling of kindness to him. Finally, he and his bhaiya went to the place where his uncle left them and had asked them to wait for him. After some time, his uncle reached there and found him upset. He questioned Rashid that what was the matter. Why was he sad? So कुछ देर बाद वो चाहता है और वहीं पे रुक वेट करता है जहाँ उसके अंकल बोलते हैं, और फिर उसके अंकल आते हैं तो देखते हैं राशिद सैड था, तो पूछते हैं मैटर क्या है, क्यों वो उदास है. I did not say anything. Bhaiya told him what happened. Uncle was neither angry nor sad. He smiled and pitied. He took me to the shop and bought me a beautiful umbrella, biscuits and sweets, and some other little goods. Then we returned home. So means I did not say anything. Okay. Pated means slapped lightly with love. Okay. You see ना कि कोई अच्छा बोलता तो लोग हंसते, खुशी खुशी आपको ऐसे हल्का सा टच करते गाल पे. पेटेड, हाँ, pated with love. To slap lightly. ओके, आराम से प्यार में मारना. अब आप लोग जाके किसी को मत मारिएगा, कहिएगा कि प्यार में मारे हैं. पढ़े थे हम इंग्लिश में. ओके, डोंट डू ऑल दिस. कि मारे नहीं है, पेट 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 किए, पेट है ना. आई पेटेड यू, आई डिड नॉट स्लैप्ड यू, आई पेटेड यू. ओके, यू राइट डाउन. आई एम अनेबल टू राइट. विथ लव, लव. ओके, लेट मी मेक द हार्ट आल्सो. Love. So Rashi did not reply. Bhaiya told him the whole matter to the uncle. Uncle was very neutral. Okay, he was neither angry nor sad. He gave a smile and gently stroke on his back to show affection. He even took him to the shopping and bought this beautiful umbrella, biscuits, sweet, and some other small gifts. After that, they both came back. They both came back. Okay, I hope it's clear and visible to you. So 11, paragraph 11. Back home, uncle told me that the lucky shop man had made a fool of me. Of me. No, uncle, I said, it was just my bad luck. No, my boy, said uncle. It, it was neither good luck nor bad luck. But uncle, I said, I saw an old man getting a clock and a boy getting two or three costly things. You did not know, child, uncle said. They were all friends of the shopkeeper. They were playing tricks to tempt you to try your luck. They wanted your money and they got it. Now forget about it and don't tell anyone of your bad luck or your foolishness. So last paragraph, let's see some meanings. Tricks means to do or befool someone. Okay, you made tricks to make fool someone. Okay. Tempting means attract. Tempt, attract, to attract. That's something which tempts you, that attracts. So on the way back, his uncle told him the lucky shop men had made a fool of him. Rashid denied that, said that it was his bad luck. But uncle explained him that it was not matter of good or bad. To the Rashid, said they noticed an old man getting a clock and a young boy getting two or three expensive things. Then uncle told him that they all were the friends who were cheating with you. Huh? They were trying to attract you that see you can get something very good and expensive just for 50 paise. So they could get money from the customer, which they got. He advised him to forget the whole matter and not to speak anybody about the bad luck or foolishness. अब अंकल उसे समझाते हैं कि वो सब मिली भगत थी, वो शॉपकीपर के ही दोस्त थे जो ऐसे बार बार खेल के अच्छा अच्छा जीत रहे थे ताकि तुम कि कितने कम पैसे में कितना अच्छा चीज मिल रहा है. So they were all the friend of the shopkeeper who were trying to tempt you, who were trying to attract you, कि जो तुमको अपने ओर आकर्षित करना चाहते और तुम वही किए और उनसे तो उनको तुमसे पैसे मिल गए और वो भी खुश और तुम बैड लक इसे मान रहे हो. तो डोंट इसको किसी को मत बताना अपने बैड लक के बारे में या फिर अपने फुलिशनेस के बारे में. So this was the end of the chapter. It's very easy story. Means you will read it also, you can understand. No tough words were there. Okay. So if you have any problem in the question answers or exercises, please comment below. I will solve it or resolve it as possible. Okay. And thank you. Like, share, and subscribe, please. Thank you for being the part of today's session.